How to see all emails on a website. Here is the solution. Go to the GitHub link I left you in the description. Under the Install section, you have options for Mac and Linux. In my case, I will use Linux. Under the Usage option, you can see an example of usage. As you can see, the emails from the site were displayed. Here is another example. We will use Ubuntu.com as an example. Scraper is very useful because it displays emails that you cannot see on the front end of the site. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, write me in the comments below.